Good evening, everyone. I just wanted to point another feature out of GoDaddy WordPress hosting. One of the sites that I'm working on is basically updating every day. So we can just see this one was just backed up files and database on January 1st, 2019, just the start of the new year. Initially, when I started working on this site, it didn't have daily backups. So we had installed a plugin to provide daily backup capability. The one that we utilized was Updraft right here. So if we go into here, we can see that since the site is not utilized very frequently, we get this message saying you have infrequent visitors to your site, and apparently this particular Updraft backup plugin it works in a manner of when the site is being utilized, and we have the data being backed up to a Dropbox account. So what I'm going to do here for optimization and to reduce the number of plugins and things that I have to manage, I'm going to go ahead and uninstall Updraft because as I've shown here, we are having daily backups, and these are reliable backups. As I showed in one of my previous videos, we actually had to revert back to an earlier version, an earlier backup of our database and files when WordPress had updated to 5.0. One of the plugins was preventing it from running. It wasn't compatible with the actual WordPress 5.0. So what I'm going to do here is show you guys how to uninstall one of your plugins. And you want to make sure you know what you're doing here, because if you uninstall the wrong plugin, you can inadvertently bring your site down. So what I'm going to show you guys here is I'm going to go into my install plugins. I'm going to find the particular Updraft plugin, which is right here. I'm going to deactivate it, and then once I deactivate it, I'm going to make sure that the site is working okay and not having any issues, and I'll be right back. I just want to verify that. Okay, so I've gone ahead and verified that the site is working correctly. There's no issues with it being deactivated. I didn't think there was, but it's always good to check. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this plugin. Simply just click here. And again, don't do this if you're not sure what you're doing or you're new to WordPress. I'm going to just pause the video while it's doing that, just so that I don't take up too much bandwidth on this recording. Okay, so the plugin Updraft was successfully deleted. If I go to a different admin page, you'll see that it no longer appears on the screen for the plugins. And that's it for today. I'm going to go ahead and shut this down, and we'll pick up from next time. Thank you so much.